Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're probably excited about managing your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Modic from your Ledger Nano X to Gemini. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so you can keep your investments moving without any hassle. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, let's get into it. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. This is crucial because 2025 brings new security protocols. Head to the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device and check for any firmware updates. Once that's done, connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable and enter your PIN to unlock it. Next, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since Modic runs on the Polygon network, which is compatible with Ethereum wallets. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Modic wallet. You'll see your balance. Double-check that everything looks right before proceeding. Now, hop over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to your wallet, and generate a receive address for Modic. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Back on Ledger Live, click on Send for your Modic account. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to add a small amount for network fees. They're usually low, but essential to ensure your transaction goes through. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. On your Ledger device, you'll see a screen asking for confirmation. Use the buttons to verify the details. Once you're sure, approve the transaction. This might take a few seconds as it signs off securely. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Gemini account to see when the Modic arrives. Once it's there, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize security, double-check addresses to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.